So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Bam Bam NY and my name is Eileen, and for today's video I'm going to show you how did we personalize our vinyl stickers that we put in our balloons. A lot of you guys are asking on how did we do it, and finally we can share it to you guys. We're not really experts here, we're just new to this, but we're trying our best to share it to you in an easy way. And as you can see here, we already have the Silhouette Studio here, so we just click that one to open it, and it might take a few seconds here. Then after that, you can see this is the one that you can see in your screen, and use on this left side here there's like text, letter A. Click that one and you will type the text or the name or whichever you want to, the name for the balloon or the sayings or whatever it is, but this time we'll just use Bam Bam NY. So after that, this font is the normal one. There's lots of fonts in here. If you click here, as you can see, this here are the free ones, and this mermaid, this view here, we bought it from the Silhouette store. So in this case I will choose mermaid. This is one of my favorite. So that's the mermaid right there, that's the font. So you can adjust the size. So in this case I want to use the whole thing, the whole size of the paper, the 12. This is 12 by 12. The size of the paper is 12 by 12. After that, if you're satisfied with the fonts and everything, or if you want to change it, you can still change it. For example, you want to change it to this one, so you have to readjust it. So I am gonna go back to mermaid because that's my favorite. So there you go, it's right there now. So there you go, it's ready for printing if you're satisfied with the whole personalization with the whole letters. Okay, guys, so this is our Cameo 4. The color is white. So there are two ways to connect our Silhouette Cameo 4 to our computer. First is through the Bluetooth. I don't know if I say it right, and the second one is through the wire. So in our case today we use the Bluetooth because it's already been set up. So the first thing we have to do, of course, is very basic. So just open this. I have to open this, and sorry, my hands are kind of shaky. Okay, so turn it on. So yeah, that means it's ready right there, and now we're ready to load it. So now guys, this is the vinyl sticker. We just used the Oracle this time because this is just sample, but sometimes we use Tech Wrap or the other one, I forgot the name. But so this is the cutting mat. So now it's time to put this in here. This is the end. This is the end here. We have to make sure this one is in here. So make sure it's the edge is right there, and then push this button here. Okay, and it's getting ready for me to send it and cut. So there you go. We load it in there now, and we are ready to. Here you go. So if we're ready, after that we have to click the send button. It's right here. I don't know why it's covered, guys, but it's just right there, the send button right there. Click that one, and there you go. After that, see, as you can see here, guys, unavailable right now. But if you click here on the, I don't know if you can still see here, the very bottom right side, almost in the middle, there is this printing or the machine Silhouette devices we have here. This is available because this is for the wire. So we will be using the one that's available, which is the Bluetooth. Click that one, and it's connecting right now. And when it's ready here, you just have to wait for a few seconds. See it, it says green here, ready. So we just have to click the send button. It's printing right now, and it's doing its job. So now we have to wait for that. And once it's clear, you have to press this thing here. This one here. Sorry, I'm the only one who's doing the video right now. So yeah, press this button here. Oh, oh, oh. And it's right here. See right there. So we have to weed that one, okay? So here, guys, after sending, you have the option to save or not save. In this case, I'm not gonna save it. So I'm just gonna quit Silhouette Studio. And there you go. I'm not gonna save it. Okay, so this is the one. And we have to slowly peel it. So we have to cut it. Okay guys, so now it's here and it's time to weed this. The charger tape. So you have to put this now in here, okay? So this is the part where Chalon always show to you guys. So here you go. So this time it's not for the balloon, it's for our machine. So here you go, guys. Finally, our Cameo 4 is now personalized with our name. And I hope you like it, guys, and you learned something from this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give us a like, make a comment if you have a question, please share, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Once again, this is Bam Bam NY. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye bye.